Good morning, Principles of Business and Finance. So we have finally finished all 7 objectives for Principles of Business and Finance. So what you guys are going to be tasked with from today through June 5th is completing the mini review quizzes that are going to post into the classroom. There are a total of 10 of them. So this is pulling all the information from Unit 1 all the way back down to Unit 7. So these are going to post all at one time, and you guys have between now and June 5th to get them done. As always, Mr. Moore and myself's contact information is up front. So if you guys have any questions or concerns, make sure you guys are reaching out to us. It is important that you guys get this assignments done by June 5th. And because of that, technically, this will be the last day that grades are due. And then also senior grades are going to be due. So we definitely need to make sure that our seniors are getting their grades in on time and that we're getting our underclassmen grades on time. And if we were in the classroom, this would really be the first day of NC-CTE state testing. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so all the mini review quizzes are going to post under the section entitled NC-CTE State Review. So you're going to see the mini review quizzes start at 1 and they go all the way down until the 10th. What I want you guys to focus on is pretty much these questions are repetition. So some of them are going to be from 1, some are going to be for 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7. They're not in any kind of order. I want you guys to definitely think about your answers instead of scanning them. I know that you're at home right now, and that's probably the easiest thing to do is to scan it and get the answers, but actually think about these answers and try to answer them to the best of your knowledge. I will give you a little hint that a lot of these do come from in-class quizzes and tests that we took prior to us being out on March 13th. So definitely go back and review some of those. So they're going to post daily for the next 10 days. So you guys are going to have a chance to do one a day. In addition to any assignments that you may be behind on. So I hope you guys are taking the opportunity to make sure that you're getting them done. And so they're going to be posting between today and the 29th. And then what's going to happen is you're going to have essentially a week to get any done that you may have missed at the last moment. As always, make sure that you are completing the mini review quizzes as soon as you can. If you have any past assignments that need to be worked on, definitely make sure you're getting them in also in a timely manner. This is essentially your end and your final for this, so try to do the best you can on the review quizzes. If you have any questions or concerns, reach out to myself and Mr. Moore. Make sure that we are answering your questions and helping you guys out during this time. So this is the end. I do appreciate both my class and Mr. Moore's class working diligently in this time. I am grateful to have had most of you guys in my class. Next year will be a little bit different. We will only be offering Entrepreneurship 1 and Entrepreneurship 2. So for those that have taken Principles of Business and Finance, you will kind of already have a leg up going into Entrepreneurship 1. So I hope to see some of you guys in Entrepreneurship 1 next year. As always, take care. Have a great summer. And I will see you guys in the classroom next year.